ET now exclusively learns from its sources that Indiabulls Group is COVID-proofing itself, and this plan to COVID-proof itself involves both debt and equity. It's a two-stage plan. So the first stage, according to sources, is Indiabulls Housing Finance Ltd refinancing its loans worth 6 to 7,000 crore rupees. For this, IBHFL is in talks at different stages with the likes of Oaktree, Kotak, Deutsche Bank, as well as Lone Star. So that's part one, and Indiabulls Housing Finance hoping to do this as soon as possible. Coming to the second stage now. The second stage involves a large equity raise, a fundraise via the preferential issue route, and it could be as large as $800 million. For this, Indiabulls Housing Finance Ltd is in talks with private equity companies like Apollo. That's one name that we have been able to ascertain from our sources. We've also been told that internally a decision has been made that IBHFL will go in for a pref issue and not for a QIP. But for this, it's also dependent on market regulator SEBI clarifying on pricing guidelines. There has been a big ask from companies that the pricing guidelines need to be revisited. That 6-month average price for preferential issues for equity raise is going to be a very big challenge. For this one, the deal closure will happen later. It's got a slightly longer horizon. Of course, we sent a very detailed questionnaire to the Indiabulls Group, and IBHFL wrote to ET Now and replied saying this is all market speculation. It's a stated objective of the company to have a higher capital as well as a liquid buffer. Whenever there is an update, it will inform the stock exchanges of the same. Now, IBHFL still has to come out with its results. So what we have access to is the Q3 result data, the public information as of 31st December 2019, when the loans stood at nearly $14 billion with an average cost of 8.8%. So I would imagine it's not just Indiabulls Group, but many players that are looking to COVID-proof themselves. So perhaps you're going to see in the days to come many such deal announcements, deal stories.